Prepare the wok. Mastering Kitchen English. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase used in cooking, prepare the wok. Understanding this phrase will not only expand your English vocabulary but also give you insight into a key aspect of culinary culture. Let's get started. Prepare the wok is a phrase that specifically refers to the process of getting a wok ready for cooking. A wok is a round-bottomed cooking pot, often used in Asian cuisine. Preparing it usually involves heating and oiling it before adding ingredients. This section will explain each step in detail. Woks are essential in many Asian kitchens due to their versatility and efficiency in cooking. They are perfect for stir-frying, steaming, and deep-frying. Understanding how to prepare a wok is crucial in these cooking methods. We'll look at why the wok is so beloved in culinary practices. 1. Heating the wok. Place the wok on the stove and turn the heat to high. You'll learn how to test when it's hot enough. 2. Oiling the wok. Once the wok is heated, add oil. We will discuss the best types of oil to use and how to swirl it around the wok. 3. Adding ingredients. After oiling, ingredients are added. This part will cover the order of adding different types of ingredients and how to stir-fry effectively. Even simple phrases like, prepare the wok, have nuances. This section will cover common mistakes people make when preparing a wok and provide tips to perfect this process. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, prepare the wok. Remember, cooking phrases are not just about language, but about culture and technique as well. We hope this lesson enhances both your English skills and your culinary knowledge. Happy cooking and learning!